In a strange incident reported from Tamil Nadu, over 103 kilograms of gold seized by the Central Bureau of Investigation (CBI) has gone missing from its custody. The estimated value of the yellow metal is said to be around 45 crores. The matter came to light when the Madras High Court ordered a probe into the missing gold. The state CBCID has been asked to probe the matter. According to a report, the missing gold was part of the 400.5 kilogram of bullion and ornaments seized by CBI during a raid at the office of Surana Corporation Limited in Chennai in 2012. The incident came to light on Friday when the Madras High Court ordered a probe by the crime branch of the Central Investigation Department of Tamil Nadu. Justice Prakash directed a CBCID probe into the incident. Scores of doctors at several hospitals in Delhi and other cities across the country joined the protest of the IMA, Indian Medical Association, on Friday against the centre's move allowing postgraduate practitioners of Ayurveda to be trained to perform surgical procedures. Indian Medical Association had given the nationwide call for withdrawal of non-essential and non-COVID services on Friday in protest against the notification by the Central Council of Indian Medicine stating that it will lead to mixopathy and demanding withdrawal of the notification. In a statement, the IMA said a large number of doctors at various hospitals across the country responded to the call and withdrew services, which affected patients. IMA President Dr. Rajan Sharma said allowing doctors of Ayurveda to conduct surgeries would be a compromise with the health of patients. Indian Medical Association Nagaland branch, backed by Nagaland In-Service Doctors Association, joined the IMA protest call by closing all OPDs on Friday starting from 6 a.m. till 6 p.m. The Bhartiya Kisan Union moved the Supreme Court challenging the controversial agriculture laws, claiming that these legislations will make farmers vulnerable to corporate greed. Agriculture Minister Narendra Singh Tomar, on the other hand, reiterated that the government is ready to talk with the farmers and urged them to stop agitation in the interest of the common people and to take the path of discussion. He further said that the government is willing to make reforms in the laws after talks. Meanwhile, Bhartiya Kisan Union leader Rakesh Tikait asserted that anything less than scrapping of the new agri laws won't be accepted, and if the government wants to talk, farmer leaders should be formally conveyed like in previous occasions. Meghalaya Governor Satyapal Malik had a review of centrally sponsored schemes and especially Prime Minister's schemes in Raj Bhavan Shillong with top government officials from East Khasi Hills, West Khasi Hills and Southwest Khasi Hills. The review meeting was attended by Deputy Commissioners and Superintendents of Police along with district officials of the three districts dealing with the programs. During the meeting, the Deputy Commissioners made a comprehensive presentation on the performance of important schemes like MGNREGA, Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana, PM Jan Dhan Yojana, PM Matru Vandana Yojana, SSA NHM, PM Ujwala Yojana, PMGSY and other schemes. The Deputy Commissioners highlighted problems and constraints faced by the districts and also highlighted the significant achievements in their respective districts. Governor Malik expressed his satisfaction on the performance of the schemes and assured that some issues like that of poor bank coverage and mobile connectivity would be addressed by talking to high officials concerned at his level too. The first human milk bank in northeast India was inaugurated at Satri Bari Christian Hospital in Guwahati, Assam. It is the 15th human milk bank in India. The Rotary Club organization in the USA provided assistance to the initiative. The bank has the capacity to store pasteurized human milk for up to 6 years. Breast milk is the best food for newborn babies to bring down cases of neonatal mortality and mortality below 5 years of age. Exclusive breastfeeding for the first 6 months, starting within the first hour of birth, is recommended, said Dr. Devajit Sarma, pediatric and neonatal care specialist at Satribari Christian Hospital. In India, there are many cases of newborns not getting enough milk in the first few days as the mother could be sick, have some infectious disease, or not produce enough milk. Stored breast milk from milk banks becomes the best option for such infants, Dr. Sarma further added. US President-elect Joe Biden and Vice President-elect Kamala Harris have been named Time magazine's Person of the Year for offering restoration and renewal in a single ticket. The magazine made the announcement on its Twitter page. Biden and Harris ran into one of the most contentious presidential races in American history, which saw a record number of voters turn out amid the ongoing coronavirus pandemic that continues to rage across the country. Biden and Harris beat three other finalists, frontline health workers and America's top infectious disease expert Anthony Fauci, the racial justice movement, and President Donald Trump, the BBC reported. With positive cases rising all across the nation, the COVID-19 status of northeastern states are